Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to change your Snapchat username. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to open your Snapchat account. Once you're there, you click on your profile. After which, you simply need to click on the setting button. After that, you're going to see what username. You click on it. But know that you can only change your Snapchat username once in a year. So I'll simply change it. I'll simply insert, click on what? Change username. Continue. So I'll simply insert my username. Okay, it's already taken. Let me just say 1. So guys, once you're done with that, you simply need to click on what? Next. After which, you simply need to insert your password. So once you're done with that, you simply click on what? Continue. So guys, we just successfully changed our Snapchat username. Go back here. So guys, that is it. So guys, that's actually the way you change your Snapchat username. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.